This is what hundreds of millions of gamers in the world plays on. It's a GeForce. This is the chip that's inside.
For nearly 30 years, Nvidia's chips have been coveted by gamers, shaping what's possible in graphics and dominating the entire market since it first popularized the term graphics processing unit with the GeForce 256. Now, its chips are powering something entirely different.
ChatGPT has started a very intense conversation.
He thinks it's the most revolutionary thing since the iPhone.
Venture capital interest in AI startups has skyrocketed.
All of us working in this field have been optimistic that at some point the broader world would understand the importance of this technology. And it's actually really exciting that that's starting to happen.
As the engine behind large language models like ChatGPT, Nvidia is finally reaping rewards for its investment in AI.
What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your T-Field tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. The addresses are down below if you want to copy and paste it down there, as well as checking out the sponsor for today's video, Caleb and Brown. I'll also post the link somewhere here in the video, so if you want easier access to signing up, I'll put it somewhere where you guys can see it, but also just a word from them. So thank you again, Caleb Brown, for sponsoring this video. Things that's hard to mimic is good quality service and customer service, and being able to reach out to someone in regards to your cryptocurrency. With Caleb and Brown, they'll be able to provide you that access, that opportunities, and information that a lot of people may need in the near future. So seeing here, we're going to look at a little bit more of this affiliate link that you can find down below in the description. As you can tell here, with Caleb and Brown, delivers a personalized and premium service to crypto trading. Each customer gets their own dedicated broker to contact at any time, getting the latest insights on crypto trends, guidance, and when you need it, or in the initial introduction for my channel. Scrolling down a little bit more, things you can do: 24/7 customer support globally, industry-leading cold storage solutions, and unlimited free access to your personal broker offers peace of mind, whether you're trading as individual, company, trust, or self-managed retirement. Here are no joining fees, broker support, safe and secure, favorable pricing on assets, rapid trades, deep liquidity. Things going on to a little bit more, you can chat, message, call, as well as provide some feedback that is always welcome. I believe with Caleb Brown has the potential to help those who achieve certain financial or cryptocurrency goals. Check out Caleb Brown and definitely check it down below using the affiliate link. Thanks again for Caleb and Brown for sponsoring the video. Going on to the video here for the information I'd like to share with you guys. Starting at X, we're going to see some of the information that I feel like is going to be relatable to Theta Network. Here you can see August 19th, 2024, Nvidia and Microsoft today unveiled product integrations designed to advance full stack Nvidia AI development on Microsoft platforms and application. But like in my previous video, if you haven't seen that, Theta Network and Nvidia have been partnered in some sort of manner, and now we did see in the previous video as well that Nvidia as well as Google, I believe those are the two companies working together. I believe it is because we talked about Nvidia CUDA and Theta Network and their CUDA program, or not program, but their partner altogether. Theta is working with Nvidia and Nvidia is working with Google, Microsoft. I feel like that powerhouse of a team when it comes to decentralized energy, resources, cost efficiency. I feel like that just is a good stir of the pot for something better, but that is all skeptical on my end. Definitely do your own research before investing, guys. Going on to another post as well that I was able to see, Nvidia posted on here November 20th of 2024. Nvidia reports 35.1 billion in revenue for quarter 3, 6% higher than expectations. Continuing on to the news here as well, the AI data center value chain. So here is just a whole value of here that says chip design, components, manufacturing, networking, power and thermal management, manufacturing equipment, and test and measurement. You can see all the categories in terms of all the businesses inside those categories. For the ones that are going to be related to Theta Network, I'll post some of the images as well from the Medium articles that we've seen in the past. We have in this area Nvidia and Theta Network, AWS, Google Cloud in some sort of manner. There hasn't been a formal partnership, I believe, with Microsoft to my knowledge. Going on to the middle one here, we do have Samsung, as well as down here too. You do see networking, you see Nvidia once more. Going on to the power and thermal management, I don't necessarily see any kind of partnership specifically that I saw with Theta Network, but overall, seeing this type of AI data center value chain, Theta Network is in the mix. I'm hoping that everything does pan out. Of course, this video is a little bit more of a skeptical kind of sense, trying to connect the dots. I'm hoping this comes true. true, but like I said earlier, definitely do your own research before investing. Check out all the links down below for these articles as well. Put some comments down below as to what you guys think so far when it comes to Nvidia and Theta. I feel like there just has to be more announcements, like firm announcements about partnerships that Theta Network is building, but I'll put as much information for you guys down below just so you can refer back to later on. This was posted on November 18th of 2024. You can see at the top says, wow, Theta and T-Fuel are on fire. Look at the trading volumes from Binance exchanges and from South Korea's Upbit and BitThumb official. Let's go. Just hopefully this, I feel like this is a 24-hour trading volume. Recent hours of when this video is being recorded, the trading volumes aren't as high. I feel like it was just this one incident, but I'm hoping it to be true still. You can see that they're here, the Theta Network markets. You can see the two that they just posted, Binance and Upbit. You can see the price, and then the 24-hour volume. Here is the prices for those two, and then going on to T-Fuel, here is, I believe, yep, is it T-Fuel? Yeah, Theta Fuel markets. Here is their recordings as here in the 24-hour span. So I'm hoping with the increased type of markets, the value, I'm hoping that's going to be utilized more. It's going to be more in Asia, this post specifically, because that's when these markets, I believe, are referring to when it comes to all the partnerships in education and institutions when it comes to Theta and their partners. I'm just hoping that's the way that things are going to be somewhere building in that mix, and then hopefully continue to build on to other universities, other educational institutions, but that's just only for this one day, like I said. So I'm hoping for more positive green days and more institutions to be adopted by Theta Network. And I've said it multiple times, you've seen all the other universities in Asia like KAIST, Yonsei, Seoul Women's University, and there's just so much more in terms of other partnerships that it's kind of hard to say now because it's adding up now. Thankfully it's adding up because there's just so much. Going on to a little bit more on here what Mitch Liu has said also. Theta trading volumes on Binance spiked 243%, reaching 203 million. Could this be led by Korean exchanges and the fact that 4 of the top 5 universities are Theta Network Edge Cloud AI customers? A little more skeptical still on this, just because even though they are Edge Cloud AI customers, like how long are these contracts? How often are they using it? Why are some of the things like when it comes to staking and stuff like that are at I believe a little bit lower than previously this year? The earnings for those stakings are a little bit lower from my knowledge and my understanding, because I'm following it for staking on my Guardian node and Elite Edge node. I'm following how much I'm earning. It is a little bit, just a tad more decrease in terms of the earnings, but that's just my own opinion. Comment down below if you guys feel like the same thing, different, if you're earning more, earning less. I'd like to hear more about it from you guys yourselves, from the community. Going on to continue onto the post as well, just talking about Theta. Here is Theta Network making a strong comeback with a bullish revival, gaining 16% over the past 24 hours. The token climbed from a low of $1.59 to an intraday peak of $1.83 and is currently trading at $1.80, holding a market cap of $1.8 billion. Additionally, the daily trading volume for Theta has spiked by an impressive 243%, reaching 203 million. After consolidating in a range between 1 to 155, Theta has broken out decisively, signaling a start of a potential bullish cycle. Strengthening resistance, I believe, is what it means. Momentum backed this move with a key resistance at $2 and a long-term target of 3.5, last seen in March of 2024. Scrolling up a little bit, maybe I'll be able to see the date. Here it was posted on November 19th of 2024. But like I say always, guys, definitely do your own research before investing. We shall see how all these partners, especially with the momentum I feel like the whole market is going, especially in the United States, with some of the elections already being over, and now we're going, looks like we have a more crypto friendly type of institution government that is somewhat being in place. But we shall see and how that all works out down the road. Just fingers crossed as always that these videos hopefully gain some sort of traction for Theta Network, as well as just Theta Network themselves gaining tractions for the company, the utility for other companies to use this tech. Last but not least, I do want to end this a little bit more on a fun Easter egg. Here you can see that Mitch Liu posted Theta trading volumes here increase, and then this individual posted, looks cool, how about Coinbase? And then says, we'll discuss Coinbase and US exchanges at the AMA at ThetaCon Vegas on December 8th of 2024. If you're going to the event, feel free to comment down below. As of right now, unfortunately, won't be able to make it to this year's ThetaCon event, hopefully in the near future. Be nice to have a nice social gathering for Theta homies, Theta community members, and we'll just see of course on how the rest of this year, at the end of 2024, will be for Theta Network. Fingers crossed that things kind of pan out, but gotta wait and see and how all the global adoption takes place, and I'm just waiting until the end of this year and then we go on from there. But overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber. Wouldn't be here without you guys. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or or staking your TVO tokens to my Elite Edge node. Think the Elite Edge node might be full, so check out the Theta Guardian node. Either way, you're going to help out my channel, help with the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TVO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Also, thank you again for Caleb and Brown for sponsoring this video, hoping for anyone who is trying to find reliable sources where they can speak with someone to reach their financial goals when it comes to crypto holdings at least. But until the next Theta video, until the next Theta update, guys, it is your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.